Gus! Come on! Oh, okay. I get it now. God. Hello.
Does it smell bad to you?
Ooh.
That bad?
Yeah.
Alright. Jeez, when is the last time we cleaned out the fridge? I can't remember.
You know, this image of a Christmas, togetherness, family, presents.
Not good.
So it's definitely like not.
Like not recently. And that's so we should clean out the fridge.
We should clean out the fridge.
What are you doing? Are you free?
You want to do it right now?
Yeah, I want to clean it out right now. What are you doing?
Oh, what am I doing right now? I'm doing like a little bit of work.
Okay.
What time is it? It's 12:51. And I work tomorrow. So hang on, give me 1 second. Let me just wrap this up.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
And I'm done.
Oh.
So.
That's weird. Yeah.
Ready?
Okay.
We're doing this?
Let's clean out the fridge.
Clean out the ranch.
Yeah. See what we got here.
Spring cleaning.
Let's see what we got. All right. Let's start with the basics. How's this?
I don't really think ketchup goes bad, so
I don't really think ketchup goes bad. I think we can keep that one. I love keeping it. I love it. Ooh.
Puke.
Ooh.
What?
Ooh. So what's really fun about this?
Oh.
What's really fun about her?
Hey.
Yeah, hey. What's really fun about her is that she's never been opened.
Oh.
Yeah.
Never been opened. Yeah. And you know what's even more fun?
What?
She's liquid.
She looks like coleslaw.
Yeah. And another fun thing.
Yeah.
Third fun thing. We have one fun thing. We have two fun things. Third fun thing. I don't shop at Trader Joe's.
I don't shop at Trader Joe's.
I don't shop at Trader Joe's.
You don't shop at Trader Joe's.
Neither of us shops at
Neither
Trader
of us shops at Trader Joe's.
Who shops at Trader Joe's?
I don't think they're here.
You know, the word Rasputin comes to mind. The word Rasputin comes to mind. So.
Cool. Good enough.
Good girl.
Ooh.
Got a seed in my throat.
Yeah! You gotta get it out.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, clean. Like,
what did we get rid of? We got rid of 1, 2, 3 things.
Only 3 things,
3 or
and
4 things.
I feel clean.
I feel happy. This, what I'm doing right now, smiling. I haven't done that in how many days?
I just feel like.
Yeah.
You gotta. You know.
Was that a pop?
We should move on. Are you ready? I'm gonna need your complete focus for this.
I'm
okay?
really
I'm gonna
focused.
need you to count. Are you ready?
I'm counting.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4. No. 5. Shut up. 6. Oh, 7. I think that one's mine too. What is? That's next.
Great.
Okay, keep it.
Okay.
What's next? I'm ready.
Oh.
No, toss. Get out of here. Go over here. I'm not even gonna look anymore. I'm not gonna look. You're just gonna toss things. Ready? Go. Toss. Ready? Toss. Are you passing things?
This.
Toss.
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 This.
Toss. This. Toss.